Hey everyone, Tamara here with Yogi Gardens, and today I'm going to be sharing with you all how I build a trellis using bamboo stakes, twine, and one single zip tie. Zip tie is optional, I just really am bad at tying things. So let's go ahead and get started. So you can use this trellis for many things. I'm today building it for my sugar snap peas, but you could use it for green beans or flowers, pretty much anything that vines. I have here some bamboo stakes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and place them around. I have 6. You can also get, if your plants kind of grow taller than say this size here, this is the size that I need for my trellis today, but if you do need a larger size, you can always buy larger bamboo stakes and it'll work just the same. So definitely keep that in mind when you're building your own. All right, so now that I have all my bamboo stakes placed in here, I'm gonna go ahead and use my zip tie. Now once again, this part is optional. You can just tie it if you're good at tying things, which I am not. So all you need is a single zip tie, and I'm gonna go ahead and place that around my bamboo stakes now. So you kind of wanna cross them over each other. Build like you're building a little teepee. And there we go. So now I'm gonna be taking my twine and I'm gonna be wrapping it around the outside of my bamboo stakes and tying it off. And I'm gonna do that all the way up. So I'm gonna start down low so that my sugar snap peas can grab onto it. And then all I'm doing is just tying a knot. And then I'll go around the bamboo stake and tie another knot. Right, and we're gonna go to the next level. And we wanna place this just a few inches in between. So doing the same thing here, tying it off, and then I'm gonna wrap it around that last bamboo stake. And we'll cut off some of the excess here. And we're just gonna continue this all the way up to the top. Alright guys, so it's really that simple. I absolutely love this way of building a trellis. It's not only cheap, but it's super easy. And this will hold up for several years, so that's also a good thing about it. The only thing you may have to do is replace the string every couple years, but other than that, this really holds up well, and I highly recommend it. So thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you all so much. All right, so that's not secured at all.